Guys, this is Karan from technofoil.com and we are back with Asus Zenfone Max. So today we will run some benchmark tests, starting with the AnTuTu benchmark. On the previous model we got a very lower score of 24,700 approx. So let's just see what score we get on this device. Note that this device is now on performance mode, that means the maximum CPU usage. So starting with the 3D benchmark. So now it has completed with the 3D benchmark. Now it's testing the RAM speed, then it will test the CPU and then the graphics. Now it has completed the AnTuTu benchmark and the score is 38,336. Depending on the conditions, like it may go up to like 40,000 also. So that is the range, 38 to 40. Moving on to the next test, that will be standard quadrant. So we have the smart group option here, and you can see we have many tests to run: Ninamark, GeekBench, and here is a Quadrant Standard. So we'll run the full benchmark and see what is the score that we get. So yes, the test is completed and the score on standard quadrant is 24,958. Moving on to the next test. That will be GeekBench Mark 3. Okay. Oops, I just closed it. GeekBench 3. Okay. So let's just run the single core and multi-core testings, and we'll run the full benchmark. So here we have the GeekBench score, that is 667 for single core and 2875 for multi-core. So moving on to the next one, that is the last one, Ninamark. Yes, so check the frame per second and you will see that Adreno 405 GPU has performed really great on this device, plus the octa-core Snapdragon 615 clocked at 1.5 GHz. So that all have worked great for this phone. One more thing that I would like to share with you is I tried playing some games, heavy games too. So there is a good news actually. On the previous model I couldn't play games like Nova 3, but on this, yes, I can. So here the Ninamark test has completed. We'll publish the score and you'll see that it is rated for 60 FPS. Okay. So before going, we'll do one more test, that is the screen test. We'll see how much touch point it supports. Okay, so multi-touch test. And yeah, the score is 10. So this was a benchmarking video where we did many tests and saw the results of each test. The next video that is coming up is the gaming review. So we'll run some 3-4 games, low end to high end, and we'll see if this device can support that. Okay, so stay tuned for my next video. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you.